Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So real quick, if you want to use the remote start on your Colorado ZR2, it is not like the good old days where you could just hold the remote start button. So you have to press lock, 3, 2, 1, press and hold, and then release. So again, you have to press lock, 3 count, and then press and hold. It's a very specific sequence. And obviously to shut it off, you just press and hold. And it's off. And I had to Google it because when I first bought the truck, I just press and hold the button and it wouldn't start like every other remote start I've had for my entire life. Multiple remote starts. You just press and hold the button. But in this case, you have to press lock, 3, 2, 1, press and hold. And then she starts up. So not to suffocate myself. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive